Hello, viewers. Welcome to CodeForAny, Medical App Backend API Insight. Today, need to developing this here the app side registrations part 2. API we need to developing here. Inside we need to develop here the uploading here the doctor degrees. Otherwise, the medical shops need this here the degree information. So need to which degree create parts and to list out here inside the database and to cross verify with here the degree. Now we need to first of all the needs here the one API. We need to copy this here the API and we need to paste here and to set this here the type name to like here the set years. Now this API inside we need to need this here the degree names as well as we need to need here the degree image also need to upload here because we need to verify here the defined degrees are available so or not, so need to verify. That's why I need to need this here the degrees. Now we need to create here the publics inside the img folders. We need to create here the new folders and to give this here the name as a degree. Need to set here like here degree folders. Then after now need to change this here the name as a set here the degree like here. Need to set this here and we need to set here the steps to insert the uploading here the one by ones all degree. You need to write down here the first of all open this here the database doctor degree details tables you need to manage here. Now need to go inside here the SQLs and to select this here the insert query. Need to remove this here the degree ID here and you need to remove this here the status and modify dates no needs and like this three value are the needs and to set this here the question mark like here's for the insert query. Cut here's and to replace this here this query here like we need to pass this here the user ID. We need to set here first of all this first value. Then after need to give this here the degree names request object dot degree name like here and we need to upload it image names file names. We need to set here like this value and we need to set here the results. We need to get here means here the successfully enters updated here the this degree inside the database as well as the save inside the degree folders this degree image. Need to save here like here to done and now need to close this here for this value and we need to doctors degrees. We need to change this here the name degree upload fail upload fail like here. After successfully we need to again so we need to get call this here the db query and to write down here need to get here the list of uploaded degree. You need to returning this here. Now need to go structures and here and select SQLs, select query and to degree ID, user ID, degree names, image, status, no needs and to modify dates. You need to needs here. So we need to clean here all these other things and to write down here pass here the user ID and question mark and status column means here the here's not equal to 2 like query need to for selecting here. Now pass this here the query and we need to pass first of all this value. Need to get here this user ID. Need to pass first parameters like here and need to return this here the errors and results. To callback parameters need to returning this here this function like here. If gets any errors then to print here like here and need to session dot response return this here the terminate this service call status. Need to set here the one and give this here the payload and need to return here the results and also need to write down here the message doctor degree uploaded successfully like we need to set here the message and to set this data. Now here most important parts, we need to check here this image. Always we need to concat with here the base path, as we need to set like this here the name, create here's double quotes, here's and pass here this image, and we need to join here's helper dot image path functions need to call and to give this here the pool path we need to save here, and this is the degree upload. So we need to get uploading here the new degree inside these documents, these registration steps to API we need to calls and uploading this here the document here. Maybe we need to change this here the API names. We need to needs here upload degree like this, set here this steps name upload degree like here is good. Now again API one API need to develop here app dot post need to call here API slash app and need to get this here the doctors uploaded degree list. API need to develop here request and response here. Now we need to print this here the parameters as a helper dot delogs. Need to write down here the request dot body and to where request object is equal to request dot body. We need to write here. Now need to check this here the access tokens. Need to pass here the request dot headers. So need to pass and to verify this here the accessings. These tokens are the valids for this API access. We need to check here. Need to after so need to response. If here valid, then to get this user records, we need to get here for this data like here. Now after so need to again so need to go inside here the upload degree. We need this here this query to copy here and we need to paste this here and save here. Like we need to returning this here the uploaded degree list. We need to return this here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.